Alright guys, beautiful long signal showed up here at 10:15 a.m. this morning on this beautiful volume indicator color band, allowing us to nail yet another massive trade. Alright guys and gals, I mean, this is starting to become ridiculous, man, that we're seeing these same exact patterns showing up every single day. Alright guys and gals, let's get into it. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. And of course, if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber, then I know you crushed it today. First things first, happy Monday. I always love starting the week with a massive winning trade just because it gives me more confidence to trade the rest of the week. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? Because look, man, this winning trade was around 800 ticks. Or pips if you follow along in Forex, okay? Now, I don't know about you, but I love padding my account with 800 ticks to start my trading week, because that's going to give me more confidence and maybe allow me to be more aggressive during the rest of the week. Because as you guys and gals know, we have the FOMC meeting coming up in exactly 48 hours. You guys know this is going to just make the market go wild, and it's going to give us, all right, professional traders, people that actively speculate in the market, okay, it's going to give us and only us incredible opportunities. And that's why I'm so glad that you guys caught this move today. I mean, it was a day trader's dream. And if you tried to short this market today when it was so obviously green, then shame on you. Right? Because retail traders and amateur traders and all these other idiots and morons got smoked today trying to bet against the trend. So let me walk you through today's setups, guys and gals. You can see here that this volume indicator color band, which is a predictor of a trend change, okay? When this thing turns red, tells you that the market might be going down. And when this thing turns green, as it did here, then it tells you that the market might be going up. But those individual color changes, or what I call trading biases, are not enough, right? Because as you can see right here, when it turned green at around 9:50, then what I'm doing is shifting my bias internally, right? I've got a mental clock that says, all right, from this point on, I'm only looking for longs. And how do I do that? Well, you guys and gals know what's coming next, right? All of my trading clients out there that followed the playbook, I know that you caught this move, all right? So when it turns green, guys and gals, we want to wait for some upward momentum, right? We want to get a couple of bars, right? A couple of like ticks or pips in our favor. But then what's more important is I want to see the market come down. In fact, I want to see the market come down so much, it's got to come underneath the color band. And only then, when I get one of these, okay, which is a green reversal bar against the green color band, and it's underneath the band, this is my setup. This is my winning ticket. And this right here is what I like to call the perfect trade. All right, guys and gals. 800 ticks or pips if you're following along in Forex, straight up, okay? No arguing, no debating. It just went straight up all day today. And I got to ask some of you guys out there, how many of you guys were shorting the market today, right? How many of you guys got your faces chopped off by counter trend trading the market? You're going against the trend. And I've warned you repeatedly what happens when you go against the trend, right? You get run over like a freight train. Now, if I zoom back out and show you how the smart traders played it, the professional traders, the people that take trading seriously, this is what it looked like today. Beautiful long trade, what I like to call the perfect trading setup. We go long on the open of the next bar. Our stop loss gets placed 1 or 2 ticks underneath the signal bar's low. And that was it, as this market just surged for 800 ticks. All right, guys and gals. So the one thing I can say is I feel sorry for anybody who tried to short the market today. I feel sorry for anybody who does not yet understand the power of a trend. And I simply don't care what anybody else says. I am convinced, and for me, that's all that matters. I am convinced that a trend trading strategy and a trend trading system can potentially work every single day. And all I can say is if you've been sitting around watching videos all day on YouTube, get off the sidelines, get involved, because if you didn't have a strong trading day today, then shame on you. All right, to everybody else, especially to all of my brand new Dyno clients who onboarded the software this past weekend, then my goodness, what a perfect day to get started. I'm so glad you guys crushed it today on day one for you, and I cannot wait to see how this week, which includes Fed week, is going to play out. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.